Welcome to your beginner's guide to Hong Kong, the city where East meets West, tradition blends with innovation, and there's something new around every corner. Whether it's your first time or you're just looking for tips, this guide will help you get the most out of your trip. With transportation advice and a 4-day itinerary, let's dive in. Hong Kong is a vibrant city located southern coast of China, known for its stunning skyline, world-class shopping, delicious street food, and a rich blend of cultures. Hong Kong offers a unique experience that combines British colonial heritage with traditional Chinese roots. Transportation. Getting around Hong Kong is super easy thanks to its world-class public transport system. Here are the best options. MTR, Mass Transit Railway. The MTR is fast, clean, and connects almost every part of the city. When you arrive in Hong Kong, get an Octopus card for convenient access to MTRs, buses, ferries, and even convenience stores. Buses and mini-buses. These cover areas the MTR doesn't reach. Make sure to have your Octopus card or exact change. Trams, also known as ding-dings, trams run through Hong Kong Island and are scenic, budget-friendly way to explore. Ferries. Don't miss the iconic Star Ferry between Central and Tsim Sha Tsui for stunning harbor views. Taxis. Affordable and color-coded by area. Most drivers speak basic English, but it helps to show your destination in Chinese. Tip. Grab an Octopus card at the airport or any MTR station. Here's a beginner-friendly 4-day itinerary that covers highlights. Day 1. City Exploration and Culture. Morning, visit Victoria Peak, Peak Tram, and Sky Terrace. Afternoon, stroll through Central, explore PMQ or the Old Hollywood Road, and grab a lunch at the local Cha Chan Teng. Evening, ride the Star Ferry, then catch the Symphony of Lights from the Tsim Sha Tsui Promenade. Day 2, Theme Parks and Nature. Morning to afternoon, spend the day at Hong Kong Disneyland or Ocean Park. Evening, relax at Raffles Bay or Stanley Market. Day 3, Heritage and Shopping. Morning, explore Ngong Ping 360, visit the Big Buddha and the Pulin Monastery on Lantau Island. Afternoon, return and shop at Ladies Market or Sneaker Street in Mong Kok. Evening, enjoy street food and Temple Street Night Market. Day 4, Local Life and Views. Morning, visit Manmo Temple, then head to Shungwan for cafes and antique shops. Afternoon, take a tram ride through Causeway Bay, shop at Times Square Mall. Evening, enjoy a seafood dinner in Sai Kung or take a harbor night cruise. Before you go, here are some bonus tips. Don't forget to exchange some Hong Kong dollars or HKD. Check local customs, no tipping in most places. Bring portable charger for your phone. Download essential apps like MTR Mobile, OpenRice for food, and Google Maps. Whether it's food, shopping, or cultural exploration, Hong Kong is a traveler's paradise. Let this be your starting point into a city that never sleeps but always welcomes. Thanks for watching. Happy travels. If you like this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.